If you have no money and you're coming to me saying, I want to make passive income, why are you not making active income? Get up off your ass and work first. Because there's no such thing as completely, truly 100% passive. You're going to have to check on it. You have to maintain it.
Is that D-Dude on the beat?
No money are already so concerned with making money without work is amazing to me. Dude, you don't need to worry about passive income until you have no more time. You have to just work. At some point you have to bite the bullet and just work. So when someone comes to me talking about passive income and they're a brokey, I'm like, you are just lazy. You are lazy. You will never get anywhere.
Is that D-Dude on the beat?